Opener Blackfly Electric Aircraft. The Opener Blackfly is an innovative ultralight aircraft that's turning heads with its avant-garde design and cutting-edge features. Weighing in at just 254 pounds, this electric-powered aircraft falls into the ultralight category, meaning it operates under specific restrictions. It can't fly over densely populated areas or at night. The best part? You don't even need a pilot's license to take it for a spin, making it an accessible and thrilling option for recreational aviation enthusiasts. The Blackfly's unique design sets it apart. It features a sleek bubble canopy that envelops the pilot, reminiscent of traditional airplanes or helicopters. Its twin hulls merge seamlessly into a single structure, while two wings, each equipped with 4 electric propellers, enable it to soar through the sky.
What if your next boat ride felt more like flying? Meet the Foilone Pegasus, a sleek, single-seat electric hydrofoil that literally glides above the water. With a retro-futuristic look and cutting-edge tech, this ride is anything but ordinary. Built entirely from lightweight carbon fiber, the Pegasus weighs just 200 kilograms with batteries and stretches 4.88 meters in length. It's powered by an 18.8 kilowatts electric motor and 2 swappable 5 kilowatt-hours batteries, hitting cruising speeds between 18 to 22 knots and topping out at 30 knots. You'll get over 2 hours of pure, silent fun per charge. No noise, no wake, just smooth sailing. Its hydrofoil design lifts the vessel above the surface, reducing drag and delivering a ride that's as efficient as it is thrilling. Steering is intuitive and motorcycle style, making it easy for beginners but exciting enough for pros. Starting at €139,900 or €150,520 with batteries and charger, the Pegasus can also be customized to fit your personal style. This isn't just a watercraft, it's a bold new way to experience the sea. Langfate C1. Electric scooter designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Equipped with dual 2000W brushless motors, it delivers a combined peak power of 3600 W, enabling a top speed of 50 mph and a range of up to 50 meters on a single charge. The scooter features a 60 volts 26A removable lithium-ion battery, 11 inches, tubeless tires and a robust aluminum alloy frame weighing 45 kilograms. It supports a maximum load of £330, priced at $2,600. The Langfate C1 offers who says electric scooters are just for the city. The Langfate C1 tears up that idea, built for both smooth streets and wild off-road trails. Packing dual 2000W brushless motors with a peak output of 3600 W. This beast hits speeds up to 50 miles per hour. With a max range of 50 miles per charge, it's ready for long commutes or adrenaline-fueled rides. Its 60 volts 26Ah removable lithium-ion battery makes charging easy and flexible. 11-inch tubeless tires, a rugged aluminum alloy frame, and a weight capacity of 330 pounds mean it's built to handle rough terrain without breaking a sweat. And at just 45 kilograms, it's powerful yet portable.
Klein Vision Air Car, the certified flying car that's taking off. The Klein Vision Air Car is making the dream of flying cars a reality. This futuristic vehicle transitions from a sleek sports car to a fully functional aircraft in under 3 minutes. Powered by a BMW 1.6-liter engine running on regular petrol, the air car can soar at speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour and cover distances of up to 1,000 kilometers. With over 500 successful test flights under its belt and official flight certification secured, the air car is fully prepared for real-world travel. Its ingenious design includes foldable wings, a retractable tail, and an integrated parachute for safety, setting a new benchmark for personal transportation. Set for commercial release by 2026, the Klein Vision Air Car isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution in the skies. Gravity Jet Suit, the ultimate flying machine. That's redefining personal flight. The Gravity Jet Suit is turning science fiction into reality, offering real human flight with an unparalleled sense of freedom and control. Created by Gravity Industries, this cutting-edge suit is equipped with 5 microjet engines, 2 on each arm and 1 on the back, generating over 1,000 horsepower. Capable of reaching speeds over 80 kilometers per hour and soaring up to 12,000 feet, the Gravity Jet suit delivers 3 to 4 minutes of breathtaking flight time. Pilots control the suit entirely with their bodies, using their arms to maneuver with remarkable precision. Beyond thrilling air shows and demos, the Gravity Jet suit is being explored for vital roles in search and rescue, defense, and emergency response. More than just a spectacle, it's a bold leap into the future of personal mobility and aerial adventure. The Lilium Jet. A glimpse into the future of air travel. The Lilium Jet is one of Lilium GmbH's most exciting and innovative creations. This groundbreaking eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft is making waves in the aviation world thanks to its zero-emission design, impressive speed, and ultra-quiet operation. It's not just a sleek, futuristic vehicle, it's a bold step toward transforming urban air mobility as we know it. While the company hasn't shared specific pricing details for the Lilium Jet, there's plenty of buzz around the aircraft and the company's potential. Lilium GmbH's stock price recently sat around $97, and financial analysts have given it a strong buy rating. They're even projecting that the stock could climb to $237 over the next year, a sign of strong confidence in the company's growth and the future of electric aviation. What really sets the Lilium Jet apart is its blend of efficiency and sustainability. It promises to make air travel not only faster and more affordable, but also better for the planet. Lift Aircraft's Hexa. A new era of personal flight. Lift Aircraft is revolutionizing the skies with its innovative Hexa aircraft, an electric, multi-rotor drone designed for personal use. With the Hexa, anyone can experience the thrill of flight, even without a pilot's license. Each Hexa aircraft is part of an exclusive Founders series, with a price tag of $495,000. To make ownership more appealing, Lyft has introduced a new program that covers all operational costs, giving owners the freedom to fly as much as they want, completely free of any net costs. After 5 years, owners have the option to sell their aircraft back to Lyft for the original purchase price, essentially enjoying 5 years of free flying. Alternatively, they can participate in Lyft's rental program and start earning money from their aircraft. For those who want to dip their toes into the skies, an introductory flight experience in the Hexa costs about $249. Stellar Adventure Jet 2025. The hydrogen-powered marvel redefining regional air travel. The Stellar Adventure Jet 2025 is poised to revolutionize regional air travel. Developed by Sirius Aviation in collaboration with BMW Design Works and the Sauer Group, this cutting-edge hydrogen-powered VTOL aircraft combines breathtaking style with eco-friendly innovation. Equipped with 28 ducted electric fans and an advanced hydrogen fuel cell system, the Stellar Adventure Jet produces only water vapor emissions, blending power with environmental responsibility. With a cruising speed of 323 miles per hour and a range of 650 miles, it can effortlessly carry up to 5 passengers and a pilot in complete luxury. Adaptable for diverse applications, from passenger transport to critical medical missions, the Stellar Adventure Jet boasts features like water landing capabilities and a suite of advanced technologies, including digital autopilot, Doppler radar, and GPS. Expected to take flight in 2025, this futuristic aircraft is not just an engineering marvel, it's a bold leap forward in sustainable aviation. Copter Pack. The next step in personal mobility. The Copter Pack is an innovative leap forward in personal aviation, Essentially, a backpack helicopter that's as impressive as it is futuristic. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber honeycomb, this electric aircraft is designed for maximum strength and durability, making it both sleek and reliable. One of the copter pack's standout features is its self-leveling autopilot, which helps ensure a smooth, stable flight. What really sets it apart, though, is how it integrates the pilot's body into the flying experience, promising a more natural and intuitive way to soar through the skies. Although it's still in the early stages of development,